in the community, whether they knew the victims or not, to reach out to family, friends, or professional if they're still a little traumatized. Megan Goldsby, KCBS.
A prison inmate in Corcoran has been killed. His cellmate has been named the suspected killer. California Department of Corrections and Rehabilitation said the 44-year-old inmate was found dead in his cell during a security check Saturday morning. The department spokeswoman says officials identified 31-year-old Jaime Osuna as the suspect and placed him in solitary confinement. Osuna is serving a life sentence for the 2011 killing and torture of a Bakersfield woman whose body was found in a hotel room. The dead inmate has been identified as Luis Romero. Romero is serving a life parole sentence after being convicted in Los Angeles County of second-degree murder. KCBS News Time is 12:24.
Stock to the public this year. In hotly anticipated initial public offerings like these, companies typically offer shares at a specified price, and orders for those shares typically far exceed the number available. So who gets those shares at the offering price? Generally, it's the founder's friends and family, plus VIPs who may...
Yeah, I called twice now. This is the third time. My name's Ryan. The car that I called on, he is now on the side of the road, like hanging. 680 northbound. He's like halfway off the road. Right side. He's got his blinkers on. He's yeah, like his car is like tilted, like he's about to fall into the ravine there, or whatever you want to call it. Okay. Okay. Okay.